As we use our joints, the cartilage, muscles, and tendons undergo damage. With increased physical activity, sports, and age, our body's ability to repair cannot keep up with the damage process. This results in joint degeneration, giving us pain, stiffness, and weakness in the joints. Regenerix Gold is a special formulation that combines the tissue repairability of hydrolyzed collagen with a powerful herbal blend. Taken orally, it accumulates in damaged joints, stopping further damage while promoting tissue repair. This results in active, healthy, and pain-free joints.